And welcome. Today we are going to be talking about two important functions in Excel, max and min. These functions are used to find the largest, smallest value in the range of cells, and also we are talking about max and min A. Let's jump and take a closer look. So here I listed some of number, like this is a textbooks list. There is a price. So I'm going to use the data for max function and min function example. So what I'm going to do, let me just use the max function. So max function is the largest number in the range. So what I'm going to do, use the max function. If I write and use the number, and I'm just selecting close it. Now you can see in the range the $300 is the largest number and it gives the result. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the main function. So let me just use here the main function and select the range. What can I do? Just close it and hit on the enter. Now you can see the main function. They are the smallest number in the range. Here is a 134 is the smallest number in the range, you can see, and the maximum or the largest number in the 300. Okay, so you can see this is the simple way just you can use. So I'm gonna use the another example here, GPG $1 trillion. You can use to find out this kind of the function. What can you do? You can use the max function in here, the highest GPT, and you can use the the item highest GPT. If I say here the smallest GPT, okay, let me do it example highest. So I'm gonna use the equal, then say max and use the range and close it. Now you can find the result, and same way we can just do main, use the range and just say close it, hit on the enter. Now you can say the smallest GPT, and here you are given the highest GPT is at 220.49. okay, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you another example. So and it's called the max A and min A. So in here just DVD you can see the number is let me just use like something different tags, true. If I say the false, if I say something like the jack, okay, in our range here is a number and here is a true, false, and the jack, and the true gives the value and false, that is the text, it gives the value the 0. Let me just use it. So what will come if I use the max function to equal and max A and select the range here, close it, then hit on the enter. It gives a number, and max A, it doesn't count the here number. So I'm gonna use the different example. Let me just take it the here 0.89 and 0.65 like this something, or 0.56. okay, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take it into down and place it in here. We'll just click it, then just to resize it, center it, make. Okay, then I'm gonna show you in here the example. Use the max A, and what I'm gonna do, just select the range and close it, hit on the enter. Now you can see it gives a number and it also count the number, the true one. Okay, if I use the mean equal min A, then select this range and close it, hit on the enter. Now you can see is a 0 because this is the 0.0 or decimal number, but it counts here the text as a 0 because policy is count the 0 and also check the text is count is 0, but the true it counts the number 1. But we are looking for a mean. For this it counts the 0. So it's important to note that these functions can be used with other types of data as well. So there you have it, the max and mean, and max a and mean a function in Excel. Both are all functions are great for finding the largest and smallest value in the range of cells, whether they contain number of text. Thanks for watching.